Hey guys, so today, cameraman said he got a new job and he told me to go to the job, so to pick him up there. And we just argued to text. Okay? To text, okay? Hope this don't go bad.
Attitude self.
Who you hitting? Who you hitting?
Oh, you!
'Cause I can tell you put up in this car. Dang. Cameraman, where are you going?
I'm going to the job.
Where are you going?
Job! You heard me? Job!
Your actual job.
Oh, yeah, that was my other job. Bro, stop yapping. Literally, stop yapping. Oh, no, you won't, because I will tear your butt up. Take this.
Why would you freaking push me?
Because I looked at your face and it made me want to push it.
I can literally hit you right now.
I don't care.
Let me push you out of this car. I will push you out of this car.
You can't do that.
Cameraman,
What?
you didn't put the actual job. Where is the job?
Fine, turn right and then you see the job.
Where is the freaking job?
I just told you, turn in the right.
Whatever. Don't make me slap you. I will literally slap you.
I don't care. If you slap me, I will tear your butt up.
Spit on me.
Yes, and what are you gonna do about it?
Why would you freaking spit on me?
Because that's what you deserve. That is gross. You Ow, 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 ow. Owie, 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 ow, 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 ow. Bro, what the heck is wrong with you?
Go. Go! This person is literally sleeping. Go!
What the freak is wrong with you? Literally yelling at a
It was a
person.
slow driver. It was a freaking slow driver. It was a slow driver.
But that doesn't have a reason to yell at them.
Again, another slow driver. Why are there so many slow drivers? That's it. Go!
Oh my gosh, you're overreacting. Oh my gosh, you always trying to fight me over a push. Oh my god, what the heck? I think I'm gonna be late from work because you always keep stopping the car. Stop!
I'm so sick.
Stop freaking yapping. Bruh, stop putting your hands on me.
Cameraman! Cameraman!
No, no, no. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, my booty. Stop freaking punching me.
I don't care about my seatbelt. I don't care.
Oh, it's Mal or something like, please shut up and be quiet. Like, really, you're so dumb.
Please shut the heck up. I'm trying to drive.
You shut the heck up. Oh, Mal or something like that. Like, please shut the heck up.
Shut the heck up. I'm trying to drive.
Girl, be quiet.
Shut up. Shut the freak up.
Okay, stop yelling at me.